I wasn't really sure what to expect, but I am blown away with the art that he's gifted me. What's going on YouTube? Taylor Prentice back here with another video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing some art that one of my friends from college sent me. So he was my roommate for a couple years. He was actually my roommate freshman year when we lived in the dorms. And yeah, I'm really happy to say that I met some really creative people down when I was in Bloomington. Even though college wasn't the best experience for me, the people that I met down there are people I'm going to be friends with for the rest of my life. And yeah, it's just amazing that one of my friends would take the time to make me some custom artwork and just send it all the way up here from Florida. So Andrew, if you're watching this, huge shout out to you. Thank you so much. And if you guys have any interest in like custom designer goods, follow Designs by Jarrett. He's another friend from college that I was really close with that I haven't seen in a while, but we've been meaning to link up. So hopefully we will soon, and hopefully we'll get some videos going. But definitely go follow him if you have any interest in custom designer pieces. He does like Goyard, Louis Vuitton. He can make you pretty much whatever you want. But with that being said, let's just go ahead and get into this unboxing. Yeah, this is super sick. So as you guys can tell, obviously it's a big like off-white inspired piece. But yeah, I did not know that he was sending me this one. This one is awesome, to be honest. Like, I'm curious, like I'm thinking about like maybe writing something in here, but this is so clean. Like, I don't know really what I was expecting, but this definitely blew my expectations out of the water. I'm gonna have to figure out some way that I can set these in the background when I shoot my videos. Obviously when I do like the Supreme drop stuff, the camera's really small because it's a circle, so I don't know, I'm gonna have to think about that one. But yeah, this is so cool. This is super, super awesome. And he was saying that I'll have to get like some nails that hang this in the wall and everything, but I was telling him I probably won't start like hanging stuff up until I like move out of my parents' house, because I just don't want to go through the process of hanging everything up, putting nails in walls here, and then moving out and doing the same whole thing. So I'm just gonna keep this on ice, probably just prop it up somewhere in my room. It's kind of how I have a lot of artwork in my room. I don't really have anything hanging. My walls are at an angle, so not really ideal for hanging art anyways, but yeah, this will definitely get propped up somewhere in the room. Did a great job packaging, Andrew. Next, we have a ray gun. Pow, pow, pow. So this might seem like kind of a weird thing for me if you guys don't really know that much about me. Obviously the off-white thing makes sense because I'm a huge fashion guy and have this channel for that exact reason. But I'm also a huge video game nerd, and Call of Duty 5 World of War was like one of my favorite Call of Duties ever, the introduction of the ray gun. And I was like, Andrew, you know it would be sick if you made a ray gun. And he did it, and the details are amazing. I love like the tube here with the electricity, and yeah, he just really knocked it out of the park. And it's like perfect that it's so big, but it's like still handheld size, so I'm sure I'll have like a lot of cool images of me just pointing this and stuff. Yeah, this is super sick. And yeah, I'm just really happy that he sent me these. I don't even know what to say, because I'm sure these took a lot of time and a lot of effort, and they turned out perfectly. I'm definitely going to keep them on display. So yeah, Andrew, thank you so much again if you're watching this. But yeah, I'm just ecstatic about these pieces. I'm definitely going to have to figure out like some sort of display method. I really need to clean my room, so that's probably the first step, because it is atrocious in here. So I will probably start off by doing that. But yeah, these are definitely getting put on display somewhere. And then one of the other pieces that he actually has sent me in the past is sitting right here. So this was like a little two-piece guy, and it's oh no, it was right the first time. It's the V-Lone thing. So yeah, it's just another cool little piece for me to hang up to. So by the time I move out, I should have plenty of cool pieces of art to hang around. And yeah, if you guys want anything like this, I'm not sure if Andrew's like taking commissions or what's going on there, but I will have his Instagram posted definitely in the bio, and I'll have it pop up a couple times in this. Granted, he's okay with that. I haven't really asked him. I told him I was shooting this video. I didn't really say that much about it though, but granted, he's okay with me putting his Instagram everywhere. I will be doing that. So if you guys want one of these pieces, hit him up. I'm not sure like how much he's gonna charge, because I did get this for the free 99, which is just amazing because these are really, really cool pieces. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I know this was like a little bit different for my channel, but I wanted to take this opportunity and make a video out of it. I wasn't really sure what to expect, but I am blown away with the art that he's gifted me. So yeah, huge shout out to Andrew, and thank you if you've been watching this video and you've made it this far. If you enjoyed this type of content, I will probably be doing more unboxing videos as time goes on. I just haven't been buying that much stuff because like the market is down and money is kind of hard to come by, inflation's up, I don't know, everything's going crazy. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this point, we will see you next time. Have a good one.